Live sport production tends to be in outside broadcast trucks and is not very accessible. So one thing we wanted to do was to increase the number of individuals with disabilities that are having opportunities to come into the industry and to build a new remote production facility here in Wales. So the R&D project that we looked into was how do we make live TV and live sport more sustainable and accessible. Media Cymru's support of this R&D funding has helped us use the findings as part of the development and implement it as part of a live production, which is what we did on the Paris Paralympics in 2024. We have a lot of talent here in Wales, and I think by having creative hubs like Tramshed Tech here in Grangetown, it brings a lot of people together across different sectors. And I think it's a big USP for us here in Wales that we should all come together and use these R&D projects to compete against other bigger nations.